All right, it's
Welcome.
2 steps back day today at Clark's place, right?
This is a 3-step backer.
Is it? Okay.
Maybe 4. This light panel that was a used one had a couple little places to fix, and
yeah, that's just rusted through. But
and this lip was so bad. I tried to repair it. It had a lot of rust.
yeah, I just wasn't happy with this repair. Thinking we could probably butt weld that to make it look legit, but then when we started grinding, there's
a spot.
stuff.
This doesn't look good.
Yeah, we started looking at the difference between my car that has no which I think you did the Duraglass.
This has
was
Duraglass.
Pretty jagged edge.
Because it had been cut out and drilled
15 times.
and there wasn't a panel on this. It had, the guy was making it a 68, so he had a 68 panel on it, just screwed. So nothing had been welded. So this came with it, this panel. I stuck it on the car to be able to finish this off. One of the first things I did, and now that everything is turning out so well, and there's really not a, not hardly any Bondo except where we're seaming things. But
yeah, that's what you do though. That's what everyone does.
Don't want to have that.
Yeah,
junk.
I don't want. I mean, if this, like I was saying off camera a bit ago, if this was something you were just piecemealing together a car that you were going to drive around and enjoy, that's fine. But this is
Something I want.
you're making a Daytona. We need to do Daytona
This
standards.
This is really probably a terrible repair. Cutting the lip off of the car. The other car we have has a lot of rust down in here, which the panel has to be removed. But the lip at the top was just perfect, which doesn't look perfect now.
Yeah, it's a great lip, but we started looking at mine, which mine is new gutter, new tail, new quarter, 0 filler anywhere, and perfectly seam sealed. The hole there is for the chrome that I've got already pre-drilled, but everything looks legit. And then you look at the bottom where that corner mounts up.
Yeah.
Everything looks perfect, and then
we're going to pop this apart because I didn't do this welding. They didn't bring that together good. This side,
I'm not happy.
This side they did a real nice job.
Did they?
Yeah. So, but like I say, this was kind of crunchy stuff that we welded, and then this is glassed in, and that'll probably never rust, but it may. So we're going to cut it all out, and we're going to put we've got the channel there.
Yeah, we'll show that in a minute. We got company.
Okay.
We'll be back in a minute to finish. All right, continuing. So you're getting ready to prop it up.
Yeah, that's a big piece of channel. We go under and under the frame rails, jack it up, and then we can take all this rotisserie stuff off the back.
Yep.
So I think I already had a video putting the wood in here.
I don't remember. I think
I think it's on there, but
yeah, maybe. Okay.
yeah, it makes it so you can actually stand out here on the end and be in the car, and it's not going to twist. So. So anyway, we can time lapse this, and
we're gonna take the rotisserie off.
Take the rotisserie.
And then we will surgically grind all these guys right here.
We don't have to do that today if we want to work on your car, son.
Yeah, I want to get finished sanding all the insides and all that. But we're gonna get this prepped to where you can work on it this next week.
Yep.
So grind all this out.
Yep.
Grind all those, and I think he will probably use this buddy right here. I would just sand all that surface weld off.
Oh yeah.
And even go through this metal and then just peel it off. That way you leave all good metal on the backside, because the backside of this is the top of this panel right here.
That's right. I know it is.
So that needs to stay. But we might need to take that out in order to get that corner re-welded to that corner better.
But we'll be able to see what we're working with.
Show me what you're working with.
Okay.
Okay.
And we're
Yeah,
going up to Carlisle next week, so
I'm not happy with any of that.
I'll look for a new panel up there. AMD might be there. I mean, all the big
Yeah,
stores are there. If they're there, great. I'll get a panel. If not, I'll just order it from AMD.
Yep. Or get it from Brian through AMD.
Yeah,
We could pick it up in Moultrie. But you're gonna want to get this done, so it's gonna be something.
Right.
You'll either have it shipped from AMD or.
Right.
That's what I do with all my stuff. So.
Okay.
Cool. All right.
All right.
Time lapsing, taking this contraption off. Oh, the 3/4 wrench?
Yeah.
Alright, so there's how we got her suspended now.
Yeah.
Cart across frame rails with a C-channel piece of steel.
And the cart has flip around bars that lock it.
Yep. So it won't be on the ground when we come out here next time.
That's right. So now we can start grinding away.
Pull that tail panel off there. Get a new one. We ain't making some put together piece of crap.
Yeah.
We're making a Daytona.
Yeah, we'll get
So,
put a new panel on it.
We
The
want
quarters are new. The gutters are new on it.
Well, so are mine.
I know
Mine
yours
look
looks
a little different.
definitely different.
We want it to look like that.
Yeah. Well, that lip is the main thing. Is we just.
I never have like that. It's just like every little thing we thought we'd repair on it to make it work ended up not working.
And with the gasket.
I mean, it was okay if you were building a coupe Mustang that's worth $10,000.
But with these on there and the gasket, we made these fit. No one would know, but we would know.
I know.
Yeah, and who knows?
I want it to look like that. Actually, not like that. I didn't even do the best job on mine, but to get your extensions to fit perfect, you gotta customize them. You can check that out in a different video.
We can see mine's all flush because it's glassed in there.
Yep.
Which, back in the day, that would have been a perfect repair.
Yeah, I think this is a new panel too.
Yeah, that's new. Probably be 20 years before it started rusting out again, but
this corner lines up a little better. It's still not fit right because it needs to be kicked out. I can hit my finger on the lip there. It's got at least a 1/4 inch that this quarter needed to go, or this corner piece needed to go out and be welded in a better spot. We'll clean up that later too. So I think take this out, replace. While this is out off of this and that's just free flapping there, we'll cut these welds out and then take that out and get that adjusted right. Because the ass end of this car is what I think makes it, but
yeah, when all that's smooth and painted, bumpers on there.
Yeah, love my fit. Like
the fit.
But I worked really hard to make that wrap around all those planes line up.
Yeah.
You didn't know I had planes in my car, did you?
But this car was all new metal, was already welded on it, except the tail light. Like I said, he was putting a different tail light panel. He was making it a 68. So
it looks good in the little camera that I'm looking at, but I'm sure on your big screen TV you can see lots of issues.
Yeah.
So it's time to fix them. You said there are new gutters in there.
Yeah, those are new.
The Dutchman's new, so all that is all nice. We can make all that look great.
Well, that's a plug, so.
Yeah.
But the Dutchman underneath it was brand new.
Yeah.
Because we welded to that for the support of the Daytona window plug.
Gotcha. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Well, you may see us tear this out in another video.
Yeah, we'll do a time lapse cutting it out of there.
Cut it out, re-put in a new one, and see all the goodness that goes into it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye. Any last words today?
No.
Okay. Happy grinding.
Yep. just going to show an update here on the taillight panel that I've been removing the old one, which, as you can see, you drill out, I guess we really welded it in there good. And up here too, the tabs were kept. You can see where I've ground off. There's a little piece of the old one. It's hard to get off of there. But, got a new one coming. Here's the old left. Of course, this was all on here. We cut the tail panel out. Made it easier to get pliers on this and pull. Cut with this after we drilled, because we didn't hit them exactly perfect. Got them off of there. Of course, that's all trash. And then use the hammer dolly behind to straighten all this out and get the new panel. Might have to do a little tweaking here and there, but we cut all this out, so this has got a nice firm to weld to all the way across. So get the new tail panel, probably from Brian's Mopar. He's out of Georgia, and I put all these tools away. You see, it takes this many Milwaukee tools to remove a tail panel. Like I say, I tried to grind some stuff out, and there's the step bit, flashlights. Oh gosh, lots of stuff. This tool was really nice. I need to put a new blade on it, but that gets down in there real nice. And these help as well, chiseling. But this was so thin, I didn't use that too much because it was tearing it up. So we're going to put the panel on and weld from this side and try to fill in some of this stuff. So that should do it. So thank you. Bye bye.